Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to level up fast in CS2. If you want to level up faster in CS2, here's how to do it. With a smart trick using NordVPN. Our discount link is in the description. And don't forget, if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get a special discount and a 30-day money-back guarantee. CS2 matchmaking is based partly on region. With NordVPN, you can connect to areas where competition is lower, making it easier to win more matches and earn XP faster. So step 1, open the NordVPN app on your PC. Step 2, log in with your account. Step 3, pick a server in a country with a fewer activity competitive players. Step 4, click connect. Step 5, launch CS2, play match, and rack up wins to level up quickly. For best results, test a few different servers until you find the one that feels smooth but still gives you easier match. Use NordVPN's Quick Connect for the fastest ping when needed. Get NordVPN using our link in the description. Since we're partners, you will get an exclusive discount when you sign up. The link will always be in the description. Win more, level up faster, play CS2 with NordVPN. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.